Yes, it will get you pumped up. Okay, it really won't get you pumped up, and there's no reason for that guy to have lifted 8 tires like that, but it's the drill press. The drill press is used for drilling straight holes. That's it. Now, a straight hole can be 90 degrees or can also be angled. A straight just means it's not curved at all. It can also drill what's called a blind hole, which means one that does not go all the way through. The parts of the drill press: you got the handle, you've got the chuck, last name Norris. I'm just joking, its name is not Chuck Norris. It's just the chuck, holds the drill bits. You got the on and off switch, and you've got the table. Now, this is sort of difficult right here because the table, you're always going to have a piece of wood down on the table when you drill. It's called a backer board. Now, the chuck key actually goes in the chuck. It's not pictured here. It allows you to tighten or loosen the drill bits. Now, the rules of the drill press: you got to have everything, including your hair, tied back and tucked in always. You always have to clamp down your wood. You always have to use a backer board, which is the piece of wood on your table. The bit goes in and out of the wood to clear the chips, meaning you don't drill all the way through in just one strong handle pull. You drill a little bit in, then a little bit out, a little bit in, a little bit out, a little bit in, a little bit out. And it's important to realize that the bit is hot. So you don't want to touch it and be like, oh man, that bit is hot. Because you might drop it like it's hot. Okay.
Having trouble
Check it out in action.
I need to get this hole into this piece of wood, but it's got to be perfectly straight. And the trouble with a regular hand drill is that you can wobble all over the place and you might not get it right. Well, you know what? There's a neat tool that'll allow you to do it. It's the drill press, the tool for every man, and women too. The most important part to understand about a drill press is that the drill and the motor itself are stationary, meaning that the only thing that the drill can do is spin around and it can go straight up and down. And that's exactly what we're looking for. There's no wobble, there's no chance that the drill will tilt one way or the other. One of the other nice things about a drill press is that they also operate at different speeds. For example, all you have to do is lift up the top of a typical drill press like this, and there's pulleys up here with belts. And by adjusting the belts on the different pulleys, it can go from a very slow speed to a very fast speed. The work table that you actually place your material on can be adjusted to different heights, and that's important. As you can see, it's at a good height now to drill the 2x4 if I want to go through 1.5 inches. But what happens if I want to drill through the long part of the 2x4? Not a problem. Simply crank the table down, insert the safety lock key so that you can turn the drill on,
adjusted so it's about
activate the switch,
above the wood,
and you'll see that the drill's ready to go. And rotate the handle slowly so it drills down into the wood.
He doesn't have his wood clamped down. In this class, you always have to have your wood clamped down.
It's as simple as that.
Okay, and you saw that he went in a little bit and then pulled it back out. The drill press is a fairly straightforward machine to use, but it can be confusing. If you got any questions, let me know. Be more than happy to help you out on the drill press. You've got a test on this machine. You got to pass that test with at least a 95%. See me if you got any questions.